Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana ba'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan? Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome na welcome kayo. Thank you sa inyong support and I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan natin kung ano mga mensahe ninyo for November. We have power and intention. Napakaganda nito kasi parang hinihingi sa inyo dito yung sure na kayo na intention ninyo. Ano nga ba yung intention ninyo sa buhay ninyo, no? Because you are given the power dito to manifest what your intentions are. You are given the power ngayon to manifest what you want to manifest in life, Taurus. Kaya, ano sinasabi dito na, ano nga ba talaga ang heart's desires ninyo, Taurus, no? And whatever that is, ma-figure out ninyo, masigurado ninyo sa sarili ninyo what you really desire in life, no? Then, take action na because the power is in your hands na to manifest what you want to manifest, no? Kung ano man yung mga heart's desires ninyo, you have the power to bring them to reality sa ngayon. Maging maging matatag, no? Maging matibay ang loob, maging matatag kayo because maybe some of you have that situation wherein kailangan ninyo yung inner strength and courage ninyo sa ngayon in order for you to overcome that challenges or difficult situations sa buhay ninyo, no? Huwag kayong mag-alala, you are taken care of. Ang napipick up ko dito, Archangel Michael, no? Maybe Archangel Michael is surrounding you with his blue sapphire sword of light para maging protected kayo, maging hindi kayo pasukan ng negative forces, negative energies, nang sa gayon hindi kayo mapanghinaan ng loob, hindi kayo mag-procrastinate or mag-self-doubt, and instead maging matatag kayo, maging matibay, maging malakas ang inyong loob, no? What else? You have raised your vibration and you are happy, you will be happy, you will be excited ngayon, kaya naman tataas yung vibration ninyo, magiging magaan, maganda ang pakiramdam ninyo dito, Taurus, no? Maaari din na you are on the road to manifesting your heart's desires na ngayon, kaya extrang saya ang mararamdaman ninyo dito, Taurus. So what else? Signs from heaven. Ayan. So, thank you, heaven, for sending me reminders of your presence. So, feels like pinapadalhan kayo dito ng mga signs, symbols, synchronicities, no? Ng Divine Universe, Taurus, in order to guide you on how you're going to navigate your life around this time. Kasi, maaaring sa sitwasyon na to, yung challenging situation na yan, whatever that is, kung ganyan ang inyong sitwasyon, you are going to get out of that situation, no? Provided that you listen to your intuition, provided that you find out kung ano man ang meaning ng mga signs and symbols and synchronicities na napipick up ninyo, because that is guidance, no? That is divine guidance for you. So, provided na you are following the guidance of the divine, makakarating kayo doon sa tagumpay. Na kung ano man ang challenging situation na yan, mapagtatagampayan ninyo yan, no? Lalaman ninyo ang way out, no? At magiging masaya kayo, no? You will end up victorious, Taurus. Spirit animal. Ayan, thank you, Animal Kingdom, for blessing my path with love. So, maaring yung mga signs na to, na ginagamit ng Divine Universe dito to guide you through animals. So, be on the lookout for those animals na nag-show up sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. No, maaring merong mga ibon kayo nakikita, specific kinds of ibon, butterflies, grasshoppers, mga ganon, moth, mga ganon, mga iba't ibang kulay, iba-iba din ang meaning niyan. Kaya, be on the lookout for that. I-notice ninyo, no? Kasi mararamdaman din naman ninyo, Taurus, kung that is a specific animal is being shown to you sa path ninyo, and that is a message for you, no? Mararamdaman ninyo yan because it's going to speak to you. Magkakaroon ka ng interaction with that specific animal kung yan ang sign para sa'yo, or mangungusap yan sa'yo, no? Mararamdaman ninyo at makikita ninyo, no? Na yan ang sign para sa inyo. May isip ninyo yan na that is the sign for you. So, make sure na i-decode ninyo yan. Marami ng resources online ang nag-explain ng mga meaning, no? Ng mga spirit animals, symbolisms, mga ganon, ng mga nakikita natin. So, i-decode ninyo yan because that is a message for you, no? We have take a step back and thank you, angels, for helping me to step back from what's not serving me. See, you're divinely guided dito. You're divinely guided. Angels are being sent to you, Taurus, dito para gabayan ka na panahon na para mag-release, panahon na para i-let go mo na yung mga sitwasyon, mga tao, mga bagay na hindi na nagsiserve ng iyong highest good, no? Maybe there are things that are coming in, may mga bagong bagay, sitwasyon, or even tao na papasok sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon that can help you, no, evolve as the best version of yourself, that can help you or support in your soul's evolution and soul's growth ninyo, no? So you're about to welcome newness sa buhay ninyo dito, kaya kailangan ninyo na mag-let go, mag-release ng something or someone sa buhay ninyo so that you can make room for these new things or new people na dumating sa buhay ninyo, no? So what else for Taurus? We have protection guardian, drop your shields. Ayan, so protection guardian. Maybe ang iba sa inyo naman dito, Taurus, super overprotective naman kayo. And nasobrahan din naman kayo ng protection ninyo sa sarili. And to the extent na ayaw din ninyong sumubok ng bago, no? Maaring super protective kayo sa sarili ninyo, and ayaw nyo din na mag-entertain kayo ng mga bagong opportunities and possibilities naman. Ayaw ninyong sumubok naman ng iba. So, parang may mga bagong sitwasyon dito or maybe new opportunities and possibilities na maaring kumakatok sa buhay ninyo dito, Taurus. And maaring yun ang mga ayaw ninyong tanggapin, ayaw ninyong i-welcome because you are protecting yourself naman, no? Maaring ganon. But you know what? Taurus, you will know, no? You will figure out na yung mga opportunities and possibilities na yan is right for you, no? Is for you. Kasi yung mga opportunities na yan na dumadating sa buhay natin, they are not coming sa buhay natin if they are not meant for us, no? They are for us, kaya kumakatok yan sa buhay natin dahil para sa atin yan, no? Kaya naman ang invitation sa inyo dito, drop your shields, ibaba nyo muna yung protective shield ninyo sa sarili ninyo and try new things, no? Kasi maaring ito na yon yung bagong opportunity ninyo na pinapadala or binibless sa inyo ng Divine Universe, no? You have the signs, you are given signs, symbols dito ng Divine Universe. So maybe those are the guidance for you na it's about time na, Taurus, na i-drop mo muna yung shield mo, look for this opportunity, take a look at them, consider them, no? Dahil maaring ito na yung blessing na pinapadala sa inyo, Taurus, no? So pakinggan ninyo ang intuitive messages ninyo at mga signs and symbols and synchronicities na pinapadala sa inyo. That is a sign, decode the meaning of that because maybe, you know, malilinawan ang inyong kaisipan pag na-find out na yan at gagabayan kayo, no? Papunta dito sa kung ano man ang opportunity na kumakatok sa inyo, okay? What else? We have Earth Guardian, stay rooted and grounded. Ayan. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo kasi dito, Taurus, you need to ground yourself kasi maaring you are so focused on few things only and maybe now overlook nyo na ang ibang parte ng buhay ninyo. So, napipick up ko dito balance. No? This is asking for balance. So, get the balance back in your life. Bring the balance back in your life. Nang sa gayon, mabilis ninyong ma-figure out ang mga bagay-bagay. If there is something off with a situation or person, mararamdaman ninyo agad yan. Ano? Pag may mga hindi tamang pangyayari na maaring mangyari or ma-encounter kayo, your intuition will signal you, diba? Kaya mararamdaman ninyo agad ang mga yan if you are grounded, no? If you are nasa sentro, nasa balanse, no? So, napakahalagang gawin ninyo yan. Star Ancestor, follow the voice of your soul. Ayan, see? Listen talaga. Listen to your intuition. Ito yun. Listen to your soul, no? Your soul knows, no? Kung ano ang best para sa'yo. Listen to the voice of it, and you can only listen to it, not to the voice of your soul, if you are going to put yourself in meditation, put yourself in solitude, yung wala kayong kausap, wala muna kayong pinagkakaabalahan, wala kayong iniisip na iba, you know, because when you allow your body to rest, tapos yung isip ninyo mag-rest din, no, you are allowing your soul to speak kapag ganyan. Kaya kung sobra kayong busy, lagi kayong may ginagawa, lagi kayong may iniisip, for sure hindi ninyo maririnig kung ano ang sinasabi ng sarili ninyo, no, Taurus? Kaya it's a must for you to meditate, to prayer mode, and to put yourself in solitude. Nang sa gayon, you can hear the voice of your soul. So, Taurus, that's all I have for you for the month. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.